Alright, testing. Don't know if the audio is going through. It seems like it is. So this is going to be a test recording to see if the equipment I'm using is working. And to test it out, I'll battle against Ruby and Crooks and Cuphead and try to give commentary. After, I'll just go around the room trying to see if audio can be picked up from other ends of the room and see if I need to do anything. My mic is actually in the way a bit, so I should probably move it. Or I should move over. Alright, so every 3 shots that he does, or every 3 punches that, I think that's Ruby. Every 3 punches he does is pink, so you can parry every 3rd one. And just use spread to get rid of these bugs. And just stay close with spread, and then just go back when he's ready to punch again. And just use Pea Shooter. Just that, but it doesn't matter because they're in phase 2 now. Alright, just keep using spread because that'll do a lot of damage. I'm really nervous because oh geez, why did I do that? Because at first it said it wasn't picking up the audio from the Switch, and then it said it is. So I'm not really sure what is what right now. I'm getting like mixed messages. But alright. So we got the slot machine phase. This is the 4th time in a row I've got the bull in this fight. Let's use Alright. Whoop. Tiger. Okay. Sorry for the lack of commentary. The commentary is the whole point I'm doing this test recording in the first place, so I should probably be doing it more. Got him. Knockout. Alright, now the results. I think that's in A minus, I think. Yeah, that's an A minus. Alright, now I'm gonna go for different areas of the room to see if it picks up the audio. I just got this microphone, I never used one before, and I want to see how it does. So I'm in the back area of the room. It does seem to be picking up audio, which is good. I'm gonna go to the left. It does seem to be picking up audio as well. Let me go over here. I'm gonna speak in a normal voice. I don't know if it's picking up. I'll check it later in the footage. But I don't know what the microphone's picking up at all. But I'll just see that in recording. And yeah. I'm not sure if I'm pretty sure one microphone will be enough. I don't know if each person needs their own microphone. Yes, that is a bit of foreshadowing to something that'll be out later this year. Yeah. So that's my voice. It's ugly, I know. Some people say it's not, but when you just hear your own voice, it's just weird a lot of the time. So yeah, if anybody comments on this, I guess, for like any reason, I don't think anybody's gonna see this, but if anybody really wants me to record like more Cuphead, I can. I don't see me doing it like a personal thing. I might, if like people out there really want me to, but yeah, this is just a test. And yeah, anybody who's watching, I hope you enjoy. So bye.